It seemed like Chinese stocks could not win in 2021 at all, but as 2021 wraps up today, so many Chinese stocks were up like absolute crazy. So we're going to talk about the top 5 stocks from China listed here in the US that are up 10% or more today. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Before we get into the top 5 Chinese stocks, remember that we're running a 22% off deal for 2022 now through tomorrow. So you have at least this day and tomorrow to take advantage of that deal if you haven't already. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. US listed Chinese stocks have experienced a tremendous, brutal sell-off in 2021, as regulators in Beijing mounted a sweeping crackdown on the nation's companies. This crackdown erased more than $1 trillion in value since February, as the authorities in US and China continued to put pressure on the firms. This led to the $40 billion IPO Didi, essentially the Uber of China, being delisted from the US stock exchanges. Needless to say, all this talk of crackdowns and regulations spooked the market all year, and a lot of these stocks that we're going to talk about today didn't recover after falling a great deal back in February. The first stock we're going to talk about is the Google of China. It's Baidu, ticker symbol BIDU, up 10.5% today. Still a strong buy with 13 analyst ratings, with an average upside of just over 63% for the next 12 months. Second company on the list is XPeng Incorporated, ticker symbol XPEV, up 10% today. Still a strong buy based on 5 analyst ratings, with an average upside of just under 30% for the next 12 months. My favorite automaker on this list, NIO, is a Chinese automotive company specializing in electric vehicles with some tremendous battery swapping technology, and they have just recently this year expanded into Norway as well. NIO was up almost 15% today, still a strong buy based on 8 analyst ratings, with an average upside of just over 90% for the next 12 months. Before we cover the last 2, let me know which one of these stocks is your favorite so far. I want you to pick 2 from this list of 5 and let me know which 2 are your favorite on this list. All right, the next company on the list is Tencent Music Entertainment Group, and I think this name does not do this company justice because they own a ton of different companies. This is kind of like the Berkshire Hathaway of China, if you will. They own a lot of different companies, including Epic Games and many others. Up almost 15% on the day. This is a moderate buy based on 6 analyst ratings, with an average upside of 62.5% over the next 12 months. Last and certainly not least on the group is the Amazon of China. It is Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA, up almost 10% on the day. This is a strong buy based on 23 analyst ratings, with an average upside of 65%. So let me know which one of these companies is your favorite. We talked about Baidu, which is essentially the Google of China. We talked about XPeng and NIO, both EV automotive companies, Tesla competitors in China, expanding worldwide as well. And we talked about Tencent Music Group, big conglomerate of companies. They own portions of many different companies around the world. And then the last company we talked about is Alibaba. Let me know which one of those 5 is your favorite. I would absolutely love to hear from you down in the comments. And do you think that this Chinese surge here is going to last? Or is there going to be a new set of regulations or a scare that's going to spook the market again? Let me know how you feel down in the comments. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Personally, I think a lot of these stocks got to some very attractive levels, and there were plenty of people looking for opportunities in the market right now, and they absolutely surged into these Chinese stocks because a lot of them, like we talked about, were beat down since February and didn't recover. Again, let me know which one of these stocks is your favorite. As always, if you learned something new or found any value in this video at all, let me know by hitting that like button and that subscribe button down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.